What's up, guys? It's David from 12 Volt Technologies bringing you back on another installation. Today we're doing a 2011 BMW X5 and we're installing the Alpha 1 front and woofer set from BimmerTech's. First step to getting the door speakers out of this BMW is to pop off this plastic trim panel around the door pole. Just held in with some clips. Go slow and be careful. After that, you can pop out the window controls, lift straight up, hides a couple corkscrews. After that, the rest of the door panel is just plastic clips. Pull straight out and towards you. The speakers in these cars are mounted to the door panel itself, as opposed to the sheet metal. So you gotta find a safe place to flip the door panel and get the speaker swapped. Once we've got the mid installed, you can see we can move on to the tweeter. This X5 actually didn't have factory tweeters, so this Alpha 1 kit was a big upgrade. Once you get the tweeter mounted, you can start putting everything back together in the door. At this point, we've moved on to the underseat woofers. All you gotta do is take a couple bolts out of the seat track, lift it up, and take off the trim covers. These Alpha 1 speakers are built specifically for the BMWs they go into, so they drop right in with little to no modification. Just like that, we're on to reassembly. Getting the trim covers and carpet back in place and then lower down the seat. If you guys are in the San Diego area and you've got a BMW that you're looking to upgrade, or any other make and model, jump on the website in the description and fill out the contact us page. Thanks for coming along with us on this installation. If you guys are enjoying this type of content and you want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe.